want you to see in the hopes and the eyes of these young people what a difference that you are making in their life. To give them a safe place where they can just be kids. This city is filled with people that know that as they have been blessed, they need to be a blessing to others. It would not happen without partners like the United Way, and it certainly would not happen without the generosity of our corporate partners embodied in the Tampa Bay Lightning. It's more than winning hockey games. It's about winning hearts and minds. It's about making a difference. They are making a difference, and they will touch the life of every young person that crosses through that threshold to now have a safe place to play.